Hi, everybody. Meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. Hope you are having a terrific Thursday, January 16th. Well, it's snow coming through, and everything was right on schedule, really kind of messing with a morning commute. At one point, more than a couple dozen accidents reported this morning on our Cleveland roadways, and more snow out there, which we'll be looking at here shortly, and also the coldest temperature outbreak, Arctic air outbreak, I would say, of the season. That is imminent. It is on the way, and we'll show you that in the full forecast, as we like to do, right at the top. So here it is, and prepare yourselves. Take the small children out of the room, perhaps, for some of the vocabulary that might slip out of your mouth when you see some of these overnight lows and daytime high temperatures. Check out the extended forecast. We'll start off with Saturday and Sunday, a good place to start for the weekend. A 37-degree high on Saturday will be short-lived as temperatures tumble down to 17. Rain perhaps early over the northern tier of counties will mix with and change over to all snow before all is said and done. 19 on Sunday, and then down to 0 as the Arctic air begins to establish itself. On MLK Day, we're looking at a high of 5 and an Arctic slam. Snow showers are possible. We're putting in the probability at 30% right now. Look at the nighttime low down to -4, heading into Tuesday morning with mostly sunny skies, but a brutally cold Arctic air mass in place. We will try to scratch and claw our way up to 4 degrees for a high temperature. It has been months, probably over a year, since we've had anything like this in temperature-wise. And this is the stuff that can really wreak havoc on not just outdoor pipes, but batteries and tires and all kinds of mechanical, can be problematic for mechanical issues. As overnight lows Tuesday night are expected to drop to -10, 10 below 0. And if there's any wind at all, it would take wind chill readings certainly below 20 below 0. So that's something that has to be watched very carefully for perhaps dangerous feels like temperatures. Those temperatures themselves are pretty nasty. So that's what we have in the pipeline. I was going to say to look forward to, but I don't think that quite describes what we're looking at. So there you go. There's the forecast. We're going to look next at radar and get you into some of the specifics on the current weather system moving through Northeast Ohio. And there it is. You can see snow showers moving through the area right now. They're passing through Lorain and Elyria, all the way down to Ashland and Mansfield. These are basically light snow showers right now. Even some snow around Massillon, heading toward Canton currently. So this again is just causing perhaps some travel headaches and slowdowns around the area. So you may need a little extra drive time on your way out the door if you are doing any traveling here in Northeast Ohio. So here's a live picture now, Fairport Harbor, and you can see the snow. Yeah, there's plenty of snow coming down right now in the area. Again, it is very light, but certainly enough to irritate folks. And that shot is a mighty wintry looking scene, is it not? My goodness. We are steeped into winter now, deep into it now. Winter has arrived and has established itself. So our winter weather advisory for the following counties, you can see this from the National Weather Service in Cleveland. Those folks doing a great job, as they always do. That winter weather advisory for much of Northeast Ohio till 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Could be canceled early, but there's the projected snowfall totals. As we head through Saturday, we'll add a little bit more on top of what is already being realized across Northeast Ohio and Northwest PA. From outer space, we can see a thick mantle of cloud cover that is all across the Buckeye State. Had a pretty good look at the one night past full moon last night before the clouds filled in, so that was kind of nice. But we'll expand that view just a little bit more. And once you get out of Ohio down into Kentucky and parts of Indiana and certainly Illinois, nothing but sunshine today. This is the lower 48 and a whole ton of sun going across the southeast, even on down to most of northern Florida, including the Panhandle. Where's the snow? Well, pretty much anywhere from Detroit and Cleveland over to Pittsburgh onto the north and east. South and west of there, no clouds, no snow. So let's put the maps in motion, see how these weather systems behave and how they move through the overnight hours. High pressure begins to nose up into the southern Great Lakes. This is Friday morning, and any cloud cover left over will be quickly whisked away, I would say, by the afternoon. So tomorrow afternoon, there's a warm front approaching. It's moving through Indiana. There you can see it heading toward Ohio. And then the Gulf of Mexico gets involved. Look at that moisture tomorrow night that is being sucked right off the Gulf into Illinois, Indiana, southwest Ohio. And by Saturday in the morning, we will be in that purple area, which is indicative of a rain and snow mix. Rain to the south of Mansfield, rain and snow mix in there up toward Cleveland. Cold front is poised to swing through Saturday afternoon. And as it does so, there's the Arctic air mass that is zipping in, and a secondary little trough of low pressure over the northern Great Lakes will reinforce that on Sunday as it comes through with the potential for snow. Here are the maps in motion, and we'll show you the snowflakes ending overnight, and then Friday looking dry. Then there's early Saturday morning. This is at about 6 or 7 in the morning. That's our wintry mix, including snow and rain mixed, will eventually change to all snow. All right, here's our forecast for tonight, and it goes as follows. Snow showers tapering off. It'll be brisk and seasonably chilly tonight with a low of 24, precip probability 60% early, and then tapering off after midnight. Sunset 5:24, west winds 10 to 15, gusts to 20, so wind chills in the teens. How about for tomorrow? Well, our Friday looks cloud cover may be a part of our early morning situation, but then increasing doses of sunshine going into the afternoon. It'll be blustery. Winds will really kick in out of the south, 10 to 20, gusts to 30, and it takes that to get these temperatures up close to 37, 38 degrees. Sun up at 7:50, and then we put it all together on the extended outlook as we head into Saturday. Saturday's high, 37. Rain mix over to all snow, down to 17 Saturday night. Sunday, we may add 2 degrees to our morning low of 17. We may hit 19, then a reinforcing shot of Arctic air, 0 Sunday night. MLK Day, we're looking at a high of 5 with our Arctic slam, and then -4 at night. Tuesday, brutal cold is in the offing. Get ready for it, folks. Temperatures only topping out at 4 and down to -10 Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. All right, everybody, be safe out there. Take it slow and easy on the roads that are being impacted by snow, and stay warm, everybody. From the AJ Colby Weather Center, I'm meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.